Hello and welcome. We have Akansha Mishra with us today. She graduated from Calcutta University and upon graduation, she served as a media manager at the Raksha Foundation and a mentor at C+ classes. Here at IMI Bhubaneswar, she serves as the senior placement committee member and now she is ready to begin her next chapter at IDBI Bank. Hello Akansha, how are you?
Hi Bhavya, I'm great.
So first of all, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
And secondly, I want to ask you that right now you're about to graduate.
Right.
So what is the one word that you would use to describe your journey here at IMI?
Okay, so that's a very impactful question that you have come up with. So I would like to mention the word that describes my 2 years over here would be transformational. Today, IMI has given me a platform where I have seen myself evolving as a student to a professional who's ready to take the corporate responsibility. Slowly and gradually, a placement committee happened, and then that rigor of managing classes, assignments, along with working long hours back for my batch, was something where I have seen myself growing and enriching from the platform itself.
So if we talk about assignments in classes, can you tell us about a concept or a management concept that has transformed your life in some way?
My learning would be from my summer internship, wherein I was appointed as a marketing intern at Z Media Enterprise Limited. So therein I was responsible for understanding the consumer behavior and their preferences for the upcoming 2 new show launches that we were working on. So therein I had a hands-on experience to understand what exactly as a consumer you wish to watch on a television, and therein we came up doing a lot of research work and a market survey to understand what exactly the competitors are providing, which might or might not attract our consumers towards them. And then we came up a lot of marketing campaigns. So being a part of the team, it was like what campaigns we see in the market. Today I was the one who was designing that. So that learning helped me in my term 4 when we came back and we had a subject, like basically an elective with consumer behavior. So therein I had an edge to speak up or to know the concepts already pre-handed because I had been working on the same. So that is how I aligned my summer internship learning in my academics.
So Akansha, can you walk us through your placement journey? How did you prepare for it? What strategies worked for you? What did not work for you?
Okay, so again, that's a very important question because at the end of the day, PGM will be more impactful in terms of the placement that you have secured, and also having an alum connection, one-to-one interaction with them, that what exactly they are doing in the same field. And along with that, coming up with the leadership talk that we usually used to attend or used to host, that also gave us an edge to understand that the people with such a long age experience in the market talks to us, tells us about, and then accordingly I come up having a lot of mock interviews and all, doing a proper research about the company where I wish to land it. So that's my success.
So talking about industry interaction and industry leaders, you're connected with them due to placement committee.
Yes.
So can you tell us about one industry interaction or network opportunity that you might have got which changed your perspective or helped you grow?
So the firstly would be the management conclave which was hosted last year. So we were the one responsible for bringing those corporate heads to the campus, being in terms of mailing, cold callings, reaching out to them, also coming up with all the logistics which needs a lot of prior approval from the admin department. So bringing them on board here was one of the successful event that we could cater to, along with the placement drives and all that we conduct. Moving forward, also recently we have been to corporate visits in Bangalore, and therein we were responsible for coming up with the corporate meetings. So meeting those industry leaders from such leading brands like Amazon, Flipkart and Rapido was again one of the achievements that I cater to, and that's how I find myself connecting to the recruiters and the industry leaders outside.
So let's step back from academics right now.
Sure.
Can you tell me about an extracurricular activity that might have helped you grow?
Okay, so coming to extracurricular activities, we have been I have my own team. After tirelessly working in the office hours, we have been practicing for a lot of events that come up via the other clubs and committees. So the first thing that reminds me was a cultural event which was hosted by the cult committee, IMI Got Talent, and we came up winning the first position after the batch voting, after our cultural performance. So that was something which was a hit for us. And it was just a practice of mere couple of hours before we did it on the stage. And recently we have a case competition pitching session which was organized by Times of India, and therein also we secured the first positions. So these are some of the achievements and the extracurricular activities that I find myself involved in.
So Akansha, my last question to you, how excited are you for your new professional journey ahead?
To be very honest, yes, now it's the time where we actually came for. Like being an marketing intern and also having my majors in marketing, I have secured a marketing intern position as well in Z in my summers. So the learnings and the concepts that I have developed from there, I wish to apply in my upcoming job. And I really hope it comes up fruitful with all the learnings that I have got from you.
So congratulations again, Akanksha. We all are excited for your new journey ahead.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.